If you have multiple copies of the same photo or videos on your iPhone and you want to delete those duplicates completely free, I will show you exactly how to find them. Let's get it started. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone and tap Collections at the bottom of the screen. Then scroll down until you find the Utilities section. Here, look for the Duplicates option. Your iPhone can automatically scan your photo library and identify duplicate photos and videos. In my case, the duplicate section is not showing in the utilities because I recently deleted the duplicate photos, so there are not any duplicates for my iPhone to show right now. But if you have duplicate photos or videos on your iPhone, you should see the duplicate option here. Keep in mind that your iPhone doesn't always detect duplicate immediately. If it needs some time to scan and index your photo library. So if you don't see the duplicate section right away, leave your iPhone plugged in and locked for a while, preferably overnight. Once your iPhone detects duplicate photos and videos, they will appear under duplicates in the utilities section. Tap duplicates and you will see all the duplicate photos and videos that your iPhone has found. From here, you can select the duplicate and tap merge. Your iPhone will keep the best version and combine the duplicate copies into one, which can help you save storage space. And the best part is you don't need a third party app. And your iPhone can find and merge duplicate photos and videos for you automatically. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to TechChamps for more helpful iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.